You have my name?
Yeah.
I'm Mr. Mike Andrew Abad.
And where are you from?
I also from Isla of the vacation of the Palakasyon.
What are you doing here in Manila?
Manila?
Oh yes, what are you doing here in Manila?
I am doing in here Manila in Drunken Mountain. I'm drunken.
And
Sabi?
and after this, where are you going?
And I answered this your point. I'm drinking bottle of
Daming dugo ah.
bottle of Emperador.
Okay, this one thing. Describe yourself.
I describe myself as litro.
Tangina pare, makikita ka yan pag binari sa YouTube yan.
Litro, ha?
And after this, where are you heading?
Saan ako pupunta?
Yeah. Where are you heading?
Wala dapat nga English.
Ngayon, I'm drinking to myself because my friends is
No, you're not answering my question. I said where are you heading right now after we drink?
after my drink. After my drink,
Yes. Where are you heading?
I go home.
You go home.
I go home first. Pero before
In
anything
English.
else, I'm
Wala
drinking to
eh.
myself. Before anything else.
And what do you do after that day?
Ano ba yun?
Where are you going to do?
Sabay ka rin.
Bago ako magpunta sa bahay ko,
In English.
anong gagawin ko sa
In English. Mag-iinom na.
my emperador is drinking with me.
Wala eh.
And by the way, what's that in your bag?